Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we have a little surprise for you. Just like the title said, baffles, seals, and rocker covers before and after. So here's my little teaser. You saw what they looked like when they first came in. Here's the first rocker cover done. And guess what? We have a second rocker cover done on this side. So stay tuned while we show you all the before and after pictures of doing the baffles, the seals, and the rocker covers. I think you'll enjoy. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now these are in no particular order, but here's a before picture, and you can see original baffle seals on that side with pop rivets. On the other side they were done with staples. But here's what they look like after. The baffles had been primed and painted, the rocker covers done, and the new seals installed from the factory templates that Ken had. And here's the other side, and as you can see, factory staples holding the original factory staples in, and this is on a 1976 Tiger, and here it is 2023. So you know how long those baffle seals have been on the airplane. They look a lot better after they've been taken off and primed and painted. So we're going to show you a bunch of pictures of the completed product, and as you can see, this airplane's going to run a lot cooler. We did some other cooling issues with this aircraft, but the baffle seals themselves were in really bad shape. Again, 76 Tiger, roughly 1,500 hours on the engine and airframe, and the original baffle seals had worn all those 40-something years. So they'll be getting a lot better cooling with the new seals. Now, the baffles themselves, they didn't require any repair. There were a couple that we replaced with pieces that we buy periodically. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, these were the before and after pictures of 1976 Tiger baffle seals, and then all after it was done, baffles and seals and the rocker covers. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's a little bit of the fun I get to see in the wee hours of the night when I'm working. The cats just scooting through the area.